What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building an AI sounds incredibly complex, right? Like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But trust me, it's way more accessible than you might think. In this video, we're breaking down the entire process into manageable steps. We're talking nuts and bolts, the fundamentals of building an AI from the ground up. No fancy jargon, just clear explanations and practical advice to get you started on your AI journey. Whether you're a coding novice or a tech enthusiast, this guide will equip you with the essentials. So let's jump right in and demystify the world of AI, one step at a time. Let's get started. Alright, so before we dive into lines of code and algorithms, we need a crystal clear objective. What problem are you trying to solve with your AI? This is the foundation of your entire project. Are you building an AI to predict stock market trends? Maybe you want to create a chatbot that can answer customer questions? Or perhaps you're thinking of an AI that can analyze medical images? Defining your problem sets the stage for everything that follows. It's like plotting your destination on a map before you even start the car. It keeps you focused and ensures your AI has a clear purpose. Data is the lifeblood of any AI system. It's what allows your AI to learn, adapt, and make decisions. This step is all about gathering the right kind of data and cleaning it up for your AI to digest. Think of it like this. You wouldn't feed a race car low-grade fuel, right? The same goes for AI. The quality and type of data you use directly impact your AI's performance. This involves collecting data from various sources, cleaning it up by removing errors and inconsistencies, and formatting it in a way that your AI algorithms can understand. Now let's talk algorithms. These are the mathematical engines that power your AI. Different algorithms excel in different areas, from image recognition to natural language processing. Choosing the right algorithm depends on the type of problem you're solving and the data you have available. For instance, if you're working with images, convolutional neural networks or CNNs might be your go-to. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, would you? Selecting the appropriate algorithm is crucial for building an effective AI. With your data prepped and your algorithm chosen, it's time to train your AI model. This is where the magic happens. We're essentially feeding the data to the algorithm and letting it learn patterns and relationships. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You're providing guidance, correcting mistakes, and encouraging progress. Similarly, training an AI involves adjusting parameters, fine-tuning the model, and monitoring its performance. The goal is to create an AI that can generalize its learning to new, unseen data. In other words, an AI that can think for itself. So you've trained your AI model. Now, it's time to see how well it performs in the real world. This stage involves evaluating the model's accuracy, identifying any areas for improvement, and making necessary adjustments. Think of it as a final test before launch. You want to ensure your AI can handle real-world scenarios and deliver accurate results. Once you're satisfied with its performance, it's time to deploy. This could involve integrating your AI into an existing application, building a web interface for users to interact with it, or even embedding it into a physical device. And there you have it, the essential steps to build your own AI. We've covered everything from defining your problem and gathering data to choosing algorithms, training your model, and finally, deploying it to solve real-world problems. Remember, building AI is an iterative process. It's all about experimentation, learning from mistakes, and constantly improving your model. The more you experiment and explore, the better you'll become at building powerful AI solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides and tutorials. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.